IDEA, the International Drama, Theatre and Education Association, sends the warmest wishes to all in the ITI Assembly and to all who empower arts and artists. My name is Robin Pascoe. I have been president of IDEA from 2013 until the end of 2020, when I will hand this role to Sanja Krsmanovic-Tarshik. I am speaking to you from the lands of the Whadjuk Noongar people of the southwest of Western Australia. I pay respects to elders past, present and emerging, and I pay respects to the elders of the drama, theatre and education community who have inspired us to this point, and I look to the emerging generation who will continue to lead us. IDEA was founded in the First World Congress, held in Oporto, Portugal in July 1992. And the mandate of IDEA is to provide an international forum for communicating about, promoting and advocating for drama, theatre and education in schools, communities and all fields of endeavour, and to support development of drama, theatre practice and theory as part of a full human education. IDEA actively seeks partnerships to fulfil its mission for drama, theatre and education through research, publications, projects, young idea, collaborations and communication. In parts of the world, there are good news stories and sad news stories about drama and theatre and education. The impact of the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic on drama education has been profound. Drama is an embodied art form where actors and audiences share physical spaces and time in taking on roles. Shifting from the physical space to the virtual space has been challenging. More importantly, the aftermath of school closures and emergency decisions made about schools has been the contracting of drama and arts education offerings in schools and the wider community. Teachers, teaching artists and community artists in the drama education field are struggling. I draw your attention to the Frankfurt Declaration on Arts Education, which emerged from the World Alliance for Arts Education WAAE event held in October-November 2019 in Frankfurt, Germany. Building on the UNESCO's sole agenda for arts education, the Frankfurt Declaration calls on all education leaders, policy leaders and civil society to acknowledge the arts in their diversity and that arts educators play a critical role in fostering and transforming humanity. On behalf of the IDEA community worldwide, I join with you in celebrating the theme of your assembly. We act together. Thank you.